So we'll start here with Bombardier performance today, and we'll go over the reason why Bombardier went down today, and also we'll cover briefly trending stocks and some market news. This is my channel, and if you like the video or if you like this channel, please subscribe, share. Okay, let's go. So now Bombardier, of course, went up a couple of days ago, or 2 days ago. I made a video about Bombardier. The stock was up and it went down, and today it went down about 4%. And somebody, actually one of the person commented on one of the videos, says, "Oh, I bought the stock for like 55, and I sold it on loss." I'm like, why? Because the stock went up all the way to 65. You should have sold. You should have waited. Right, but anyways, today you can see the stock. It went up. It went down about 5%. 469 or 30 cents to 610, and you can see our candlestick chart here. How the stock was trying to kind of buy sell around 9 o'clock. It fall like boom. Boom, keep going down. You just gotta stay flat. That way it went up a little bit, around 12:30. Then market close, of course, was down. And we look at the volume of Bombardier. Previously closed at 64, open at 64. Of course, went down at 61. So volume today, look at how much volume it was 10 million people trade the stock today. That's crazy. On average, Bombardier is about 8 million. So that's a huge. 1 year today is about 59, because the highest it went, it was, if we look at days range, was 61, of course, to 65. It went all the way to 65. Then he came down. 52 ranges between 26 cents to 148. So if he goes back to 148 and you buy at this, you pretty much you will double, almost triple your money actually. So that's Bombardier performance for today. News today, why Bombardier went down, because every time stock goes down, there usually is some reason behind it, because it was going up, then it went down. So look at this. Bombardier announces full repayment of senior secured credit facility. So this news, it's more catalyst, I think, for Bombardier stock go down today. Say Bombardier today announced that it has initiated repayment of a total outstanding balance of $750 million drawn on its $1 billion senior secured term loan facility, established on August 19, 2020. Payout of facility, including all accrued interests and associated fees, will be completed on February 19, 2021. So this is what happens. Most company, of course, that's $1 billion. We look at Bombardier, how much it has. It has right now about $5 billion, but now they're looking at, well, it's going to spend a lot of money, and that's the sentiment, of course. In a company, whenever they spend money, it usually goes down, because you're taking asset from your balance sheet, right? So you're taking money out of your balance sheet. Of course, the stock usually goes down, and that's the reason why Bombardier went down today. If you want to know, most active traded companies on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So if you're a trader, you shouldn't be maybe a trader, but because my philosophy is long term, but at the same time also it's kind of interesting to look at these stocks and if you want to trade, it's okay, you can do trade, a little bit of your money. There's nothing wrong with that. Just don't take all of your money and try to trade with that. So we look at the most traded companies, and this is what I usually look. If I want to trade, if I want to make a trade, I usually look at the stocks that actually I can buy and sell, like they're uptrend. They have that momentum. So I look at them. Not necessarily I'm going to buy the stock that I'm seeing here, but this kind of indication, interesting. So and this, by the way, is on Toronto Stock Exchange, and we have Supreme Cannabis was one of the huge one. We have Manulife Financial. This is the insurance company. We have Zenabis Global, which was acquired, as you know, by Aphria. We have Enbridge, Denison Mines Corp, and of course we have Bombardier. Company on the news today was Shopify. Shopify went down a little bit. It's because, of course, they've reported they had a huge sale. Shoppers or people who are subscribed on Shopify, right? They've been making new sales. The newer people, newer customer, they've made a lot of sales. But now, because the pandemic is coming, it's lowering. The cases are dropping. So the fear is that if the pandemic goes away, maybe Shopify won't have as many customers, subscribers, and maybe people go back to brick and mortars, and that's the kind of fear of. That's what kind of stock right now is trending down. We look at the news. Is Aphria, of course, the reported loss, and of course the stock went down about 5%, less than other cannabis stocks. Yeah, that's it. That's the news for today, man. I mean, I'm gonna try my best to bring market update daily. So if you find this interesting, or if you have any stocks that you want me to talk about, just let me know on the comment below. And if you like this video, please like it. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again.